under the age of about 2 aren't even able to decode what those images are, what that light and color is on that screen. They will watch it due to something called the orienting response, which is basically a reflex that allows us to protect ourselves. So they will turn to the television the same as they will turn to a cobra in their crib. So they will watch it. That does not mean they are absorbing or learning from it. The concern with very young children is that as human beings, we have a competitive advantage over the rest of the animal world by the virtue of the fact that we are born with essentially a fetal brain. Our brain gets to develop in response to the environment in which it needs to function. So, though we are helpless and completely dependent on our parents for survival at birth, we get to build an architecture that is most efficient for dealing with the world we live in. What we know about that is that 3 things seem to be very important to building very powerful brains. The first is bonding with other human beings, relating to mommy, interacting, developing relationships. The second is manipulating the physical environment, stacking up blocks or getting a Cheerio into your mouth. And the third is open-ended, problem-solving, creative type of play. So a blank piece of paper and crayons or a piece of clay is very good. Unfortunately, screens don't give us any of that. And when we are in a period of time when our brain is tripling in volume in the first 2 years, when billions of synapses, connections between neurons are being formed, and most importantly perhaps, billions of neurons are being killed off in order to decrease the signal to noise ratio and really know what's going on. We want them in an environment that stimulates the things that are going to make a strong brain and not essentially a stimulus poor environment, which is what screens give us.